Are you ready to transform the way your institution is seen online? Imagine having crystal clear insight into where you rank across every major platform that matters, and a proven roadmap to boost your visibility and drive enrollment like never before. That's exactly what WebScore 2.0 delivers. And right now, you can be one of just 50 founding members to secure a lifelong advantage. For a limited time, you can try the full platform absolutely free for 14 days. No credit card required. Experience everything risk-free before you decide. But here's the exciting part. As a founding member, you lock in a massive 70% discount, paying just $2,250 instead of $7,500 for 90 days of complete service, forever. Once these 50 spots are gone, the price goes up permanently. That means priority support, early access to cutting-edge AI growth tools, a special founder's badge, and being recognized as a leader in your education community, benefits worth thousands every year. WebScore 2.0 was built by an education leader with over 30 years of experience, who saw firsthand how institutions struggle to get found online, even when they deserve to shine. Now, that expertise meets next-gen AI and actionable insights to put your visibility on steroids. Don't let your competitors take the lead. Your visibility is too important, and your next 3 to 5x growth in inquiries starts here. Claim your spot now. Free trial, lifetime discount, and exclusive access waiting for you. Only 50 founding member spots available. Act before they're gone.